Hello, this video will show you how to push the latest revisions of the RSetPi code to Launchpad.net. To do this, I'm going to create a development team on Launchpad so that multiple developers can actually push changes to Launchpad. Okay, to create a team in Launchpad, I'm going to use the user that I created in the previous video. So here I am on the main page for the user named Ted Samus. I'm going to go to the main Launchpad website, so just launchpad.net, and over on the right there is a link that says register a team. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm logged in as this user, Ted Samus, the owner of the RSetPi project. So I'm going to call it the team RSetPi team, and then I'm going to, for the display name, type RSetPi dev team. It's already in there, and I'm going to leave everything else exactly the way it is. So I'm going to go ahead and create the team. So now I've created the RSetPi team in which this user, Ted Samus, is the owner of that team and also the one active member. So now, because I want to be able to have multiple developers be able to push and pull revisions of the RSetPi code, I'm going to add another member to the team, and I'm going to type in the member's username on Launchpad and press enter. And then the first one that comes up I'm going to choose. The only one that comes up I'm going to choose. So now there's two active members in the dev team. So now both those members can update to the repository. So now I'm going to go to the RSetPi project page. So I'm going to click on the owner of the team's name. So now we're at the user home web page for Ted Samus. Okay, then we go to the link in the upper left, the related software and packages. So click on that, and then go to the Python remote sensing project, which is the home page for the RSetPi project on Launchpad. So click on that, and then under project information there is a maintainer listed as the initial user we created as Ted Samus. So I'm going to click on the change maintainer button, and I'm going to type RSetPi-team and hit enter. And I'll choose the first item that comes up, the only item that comes up. Okay, so now the maintainer for the remote sensing project is the RSetPi dev team. So now the next step will be to upload code, or to push the latest version of RSetPi to Launchpad, so that the code is then stored at Launchpad. Okay, to push the latest code to Launchpad.net, I'm going to open the Pageant PuTTY authentication agent. So in my actually, I'll just go to it where it's located in the file system. So I'm going to go to the C drive, program files x86, under PuTTY, and then click Pageant. It doesn't look like anything happened, but Pageant is running in the right hand of the taskbar. You can see that the little Pageant icon is there. So I'm going to right click on that and choose view keys. So this is the SSH private keys, and there isn't any available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose add key, and then I'm going to choose where I saved my private key in a previous video, which is under the C drive under the keys directory, and I'm going to choose launchpad underscore priv, and then so now I'm going to open up my Windows command prompt. So I'm going to type cmd, and I'm going to press enter. It's the first item that comes up. In my case, the latest version of rsetpi is on my desktop, so I'm going to type cd desktop, and then cd rsetpi. And now I'm going to type bzr space launchpad dash login space, and then this is the username of the first user I created in the previous video. I know it's confusing, but the username for Ted Samus was ended up being rsetpi, so this is actually the user name. So then press enter. Okay, so authentication should have gone okay, and now I'm going to type bzr push, then lp :tilde rsetpi dash team. So this is the team that the original user is a member of, slash rsetpi slash trunk. And this will push the trunk branch to Launchpad, and press enter. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to launchpad.net. Here's the Python remote sensing project web page. I'm going to look at code in the upper left, and as you can see, there is a branch that has been pushed that we pushed there. This previous one you're seeing under is just an artifact from a previous test, but as you can see, we actually were able to push up our code. So I'm going to click on that, and it is still updating, so wait several moments and hopefully we'll be able to see our log information.